Hello and welcome to Bridgetek's booth at Embedded World 2022, where we're looking at our PanL smart living system. The core of this system includes the PanL hub and the PanL PD40, PD100 and CPT40 control panels. The PanL hub also includes Zigbee, Wi-Fi and RF functionality, as well as RS485 functionality, which can be used to control various lighting technologies. It can be used to integrate multi-sensors, lighting, temperature, humidity sensors, motion sensors, as well as air quality sensors into the system. You can integrate our Bridgetek LDS bus and LDS relays into the system as well to control blinds, televisions, fans, air conditioning. We can control LED lights. It has Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant integration, as well as smartphone app controls. Is there anything else? So here we have our demo system, which includes the PD100 display. We've got our carbon monoxide sensor, we've got our 4-in-1 sensor which does temperature, humidity, motion. We've got our air quality sensor, our IR blaster, we've got the smaller CTP40 controller. On the PanL 100 display you can see an overview of the system here. If we go into here we can see our favourites. This tells us all the devices on the system. We've got room 1 LEDs, we've got an LED zone, we've got our quality sensors, our Sonos speaker. If we go into here, we can program different scenes into the PanL hub. So this would be, for example, if you're having a meeting, you might want to have certain things happen at the start of a meeting, like turn on the LEDs in a room, and then maybe you've got a presentation start, which dims the lights slightly when you're presenting your PowerPoint, and then maybe you've got a break time, and this would turn on some music while you're having a wee tea or coffee, and then at the meeting end, this would turn off the lights in the room. So the scenes control can control rooms or zones in the system. So you can see in this room we went into, we have 2 LEDs and a fan. We've also got a TV and air conditioning. From here you can control the individual aspects of the connected device, be the brightness of the LED, you can turn it on or off. Same goes for the fans, you can put a swing on or speed, and all the devices that are connected. Moving on, we have zones. Now a zone is just a collection of devices in the system. If we look into zone 1 here, we can see we've got the zone 1 LED. We can turn on or off. And also within this zone we have a room. And within the room group, oh my goodness. Room group, again you can see that we have all the associated devices into this room. Finally we have groups. So for example we have grouped 2 sets of LED lights into one group here. You can also use the PanL 100 display to view all of the attached devices to your system. So here's our aircon. You can set the temperature, you can turn the fan on or off. If you want it heat or cold, you can adjust the swing. You can see all of the connected fans to the system. Turn them on or off. You can see if there's any TVs connected to the system. Any speakers, for example the Sonos speaker we have connected right now. You can turn the volume up, you can play or pause songs, you can add playlists into the system if you want to curate a certain mood for the room you're in. Again we have audio devices. Nope, just go back out of this. We've also got shades, whether you want to control or open curtains within the system. And then finally, here's an overview of all the sensors we've got included in our system. So we can see there's a 4-in-1 temp sensor, we've got a CO2 sensor, there's air quality sensor, CO2, motion, air pressure. We've also got a couple other things. You can see how much current our lights are using. Here's LED light B and LED light A. LED's A is off currently, so it's not drawing any current. You can also check the humidity on in the room or the zone of your desire. I think that's everything really, isn't it? Do you want me to do now?